Are you looking for a quick and easy way to convert your JPG images into a PDF? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few seconds without any complicated software. Let's dive right in. Here we have a JPG image that we want to convert into a PDF. The method I'll show you works on Windows, Mac, and even online, so you won't need to install any extra programs. If you're on Windows, the easiest way is to open the image in the default Photos app. Once it's open, click on the print icon at the top and select Print. Under the Printer section, choose Microsoft Print to PDF, then click Print. Choose where you want to save the PDF file, name it, and hit Save. That's it. Another way is by using a free online tool. One of the best websites for this is Small PDF or Adobe's free tool. Just upload your image, hit Convert, and download your PDF. As you can see, converting JPGs to PDFs is super easy whether you're on Windows, Mac, or using an online tool. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.